Hey guys! Happy Thursday. At least I think it's Thursday. I am going live. I haven't been live in a very, very, very long time. I'm very excited about some stuff, and so I was like, I need to go live. I need to share it. I snuck in my hubby's office because it's quiet in here. And I wanted to do an unboxing because I'm very excited about some of the stuff that I got. And you guys, like, honestly, I was really hesitant to share this stuff because there's been other products that I've liked before, and I tried these originally. It was last year when I had baby number 9, and baby number 9, she, poor thing, spit up so much, and I was also having a lot of issues, like health issues, and I was just like, I need to figure something out, like what's going on. Last year I was 40, and I was like, I just need to finally get my health under control because I just kind of wasn't paying a lot of attention to it for a while. And so I was like, okay, I need to figure something out. I need to find something that will work and give me the results that I need because, like I said, I was dealing with a few different things: sleep, skin issues, and gut health. Like I was like, I know my gut health is just in the dumps. Like, it was just not good. And so I was like, let me try these products because I kept seeing one of my friends posting about it. And so I tried them, and at the time I was breastfeeding baby number 9, and I could not believe how much these products not only helped me, but they helped my baby girl. She was not spitting up nearly as much. And I'm talking about very fast results within a few weeks. Like, I was really surprised, if not sooner. Excuse me. And so I was just so thankful to finally have found something that was not just helping me, but was helping her too. And we did the Chiro, I did a diet change, all these things. And the root of it was my gut health. And so another year goes by, I'm baby number 10. And I was like, I stopped using the products for a little bit because life happens, right? And so I was like, okay, well, let me get back on these because it works. It just was amazing what it was doing for my health and for my breastfed baby's health. And so I was just like so excited about it. So I'm going to do an unboxing. I want you guys to see what the products are that I've been using that have helped so much. And if you have been like in a rut with your health and you're like, I need some help with stuff too, I'm so excited for you to try it too. If you need more info, message me. I actually have a browse party going on right now too, so you can take a look at some of the different products that we offer and see what specific thing you need, because these products are life-changing, and I've been so excited with the results that I've been getting. And so anyways, let's hop into it. Let's do my unboxing. Okay, so the first thing that this is my go-to. It's like a trio. And the first thing are these packets, and I got Black Cherry Lime Blossom, and this is part of their weight management series. I didn't necessarily want it for weight management. A lot of people love it because of the GLP-1 vibe that it gives, because it helps significantly with the natural GLP-1. Because your body naturally produces that. And so this isn't a shot or anything. This is just a drink. And if you guys know me, I'm a natural health girly. Like, I don't want any of the fake stuff. I want, really good ingredients, clean ingredients. And so this is amazing because you just add it to your water, stir it up. It's so delicious. it's like I look forward to it every day because it's so yummy. And it really helps with a few different things. It helps with weight loss goals. It helps with your blood sugar levels, all of that. So I just feel not as frazzled in the morning when I'm drinking this too. I know it's afternoon, but I started it this morning, and then anyways, I'm just sipping on it. But it's really, really yummy. It does have some green coffee bean extract in it, which I think is cool because it does give you a little extra boost, a little bit of natural caffeine in it. So I take that, and I also have been taking these digestive support pills. It comes in a 60 pack, so you only have to take 2 every day. You can take more if you need to when you're first starting. But this is a trio gut health system that I've been taking. And then there's also the probiotic pills. And I also take 2 of these at night before I go to bed. So this is like the basics. If you're like, I need something for gut health. You guys, I have my nails done. I'm struggling to open this. If you are like really wanting something for gut health, everything's related to your gut. Like honestly, your skin, your sleep, your mood, your hair, your like everything. Okay, so it's just these little capsules. I take 2 of these at night before I go to bed. And that's kind of what the digestive support pills look like too. And so that's it. It's so simple. So twice a day, I have to think about it. Mid-morning, I drink my drink and have my digestion support pills. And then at night, I have my probiotics. And it's crazy. The results are amazing. I've felt so much better. I can sleep so well. So I have been doing this gut health system. It's phenomenal. I've tried tons of different probiotics over the years, and nothing has given me the results like these products have. So there is that. And then let's see what else I got. I have some other favorites. This is like a little variety pack that they sent me. And you'll get little goodies because it's best to do the subscription, so then you don't even have to think about it. It's coming every month, you know to take it, and it's one less thing to worry about. And so I got some little variety packets. They have so many different products that I've really enjoyed. Like this is a good one for like giving you a little extra boost of energy. If you're like, I need some energy, but I don't want to drink a big old iced coffee in the afternoon. This one is peach mango. There's starfruit, guava, which seems delicious. And then they also have electrolyte packets, which you guys know how important electrolytes are. Like it's insanely important. Let me try to find one of those. The electrolyte packets, this is blueberry, and you just put it in with your water and you stir it up. You could even add it with one of your other packets and drink that. And it's super yummy because, you need a lot of minerals, and that's what the electrolyte packets have. Because just drinking water is good, obviously, for you, but we don't have, you need salt to help your body hydrate. It's a lot easier for the liquid to get into your cells and use your water instead of, just peeing it out. So it's, those packets are really yummy. And then I did want to share 2 other things with you that, I grabbed the wrong thing. Well, I'll tell you about it because it actually looks a lot like this. But they also have a multivitamin that I started taking as well. And I had been taking liver pills, beef liver pills, which are really a great multivitamin, especially while I was pregnant and breastfeeding. I just think it's a really good thing to take. And so anyways, they also have a multivitamin that I've been taking 2 of every day, and they look like this, really simple. And I can't believe all the energy I've been getting from just taking these multivitamins. And like I said, really good, really pure ingredients. So I've enjoyed that a lot. And I've also been taking protein powder. This protein powder, I got the vanilla, which I really have enjoyed. So this is actually a whey vanilla. And it has a bunch of vitamins and minerals in it. And it also has 21 grams of protein per serving. So I've been making you can just mix it with like any sort of milk you want, or like oat milk or whatever. But I've been making one with like a cherry berry blend. That's so yummy. It's just like frozen cherries and other berries, and then add that with some milk or oat milk or whatever you drink, and blend it up, and a banana if you want it a little sweeter. It's so yummy. And so that's been good on my busy mornings to just drink that. So anyways, all that to say, I have tried these products, and like I said, my results have been amazing. So it's like, I really need to share it on here with you guys. If you are tired of feeling tired and just want to feel better, your gut health is so important, and you really should start there. So let me know. I can, figure out what your, you can tell me what your health goals are, and then I can figure out what products would be best suited for you. Because no one's going to do anything about your health except you. Okay. So you're going to need to be the one to initiate that and to take control over that, because no one's going to come and save you. And so just do the thing. Just do the thing. Just do something new. Do something different. And you guys, you will feel significantly better. So message me if you want to get started, and you're ready and you're like, okay, let's go. I know I want to try some of these products that you were just talking about. If you're like, I'm very interested, but I have some questions and want more info, let me know also, because like I said, I have a browse party going on where you can just take a look at some information about the products and decide for yourself what you would like to try. So either way, message me. I'm here for you. You deserve to feel better. You deserve better skin. You deserve better sleep. You deserve better energy. And so I'm super excited for you and to support you during your health journey.